Coming in at number 1 on our list here is Robinhood. Robinhood is most known for beginning the practice of commission-free stock trading, which was a revolutionary change as other platforms used to charge $7 to $10 per trade. This has led to Robinhood now having a massive user base of over 25 million funded customer accounts. But aside from commission-free stock trading, which is pretty much offered everywhere now, what other features does Robinhood offer? For starters, Robinhood has pioneered the 24-hour market feature, which means users can buy and sell many stocks, options, and ETFs virtually around the clock. This 24-hour market through Robinhood is available from 8 p.m. Eastern Time Sunday to 8 p.m. Eastern Time Friday, and between these time frames, Robinhood users can trade whenever they want to. This is a huge difference from the normal hours of the stock market, which are from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. But do keep in mind here that extended trading hours is definitely not recommended for everyone, especially for beginners, and that's because the market is typically more volatile with less participants at these times. Moving on here, Robinhood has also branched out into cryptocurrency investing, and they now support over 20 different tokens, and they're frequently adding new ones to the platform. And get this, they don't charge a direct fee for buying or selling crypto. If you look at how much cryptocurrency you receive when purchasing something like Bitcoin on Robinhood compared to other platforms, you can see that you're oftentimes going to get the best bang for your buck going through Robinhood because of the fact that they don't charge this direct fee, and you are also able to send and receive your cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, for example, so this makes Robinhood a popular crypto investing app now too. Robinhood is generally viewed as the most beginner-friendly investing app out there, but this should not be viewed as a limitation. For those who are more interested in active trading as opposed to long-term investing, this can be done right through the free-to-use Robinhood Legend platform. Robinhood Legend is specifically designed for active stock trading, and it allows users to customize layouts, view multiple charts at once, and even analyze assets with detailed metrics. I have a full Robinhood tutorial as well as Robinhood Legend tutorial. I'll put links for those down in the description below. Robinhood offers a lot of other features too, including an unheard of IRA match on their retirement accounts. The biggest thing I've noticed about Robinhood over the last decade is that they do not stop revolutionizing the industry, as they have continued to release new and innovative financial products. And as far as the sign-up bonus goes, you can get a free fractional share worth up to $200 when you open a new account using my affiliate link, ryanoscribner.com/Robinhood. In addition, guys, I'm also going to link up all of my brokerage account tutorials and the sign-up bonus offers down in the description below.